Hello friends, today I discuss about discretization of geometry, meshing a rectangular plate using 4 node elements. Firstly, open STAAD Pro, open new file, fill the file name and select create option. Click on structural wizard, then select model type, in which we will select surface plate models, then select quadrilateral plate, in which we will select x and z values for draw rectangular plate in xz direction. So we will 0 value and select z value 2. We will take division 5 in each. And click on apply. Then shift to the main screen or transfer. OK. Then select create mesh. Select create mesh outer side of rectangular plate. Here we select quadrilateral meshing, then click on OK. Apply. Here we done discretization of geometry, meshing a rectangular plate using 4 node element. Thank you.